welcome to the Woodshop Life. Today we have a new laser engraver and our task is to unpack it and get it all ready to start on our new project.
Now we need to get the mirrors aligned. We have our first mirror here and we have our beam combiner here. So unlike most Chinese lasers, I've opted to get a beam combiner in here, so we've got a red dot laser here rather than on the head. And this, once I get it set up correctly, means that the red dot is going to follow through the beam path of the laser, so we'll see a spot exactly where the laser is going to fire on the material, which is pretty cool. So that's now just kissing under there, so I'd say that is about where I want to be. I've always liked this engraving as a really good test piece. This is the first piece which we've done with this laser. So how does it look? It's not quite perfect. It is a bit out of focus, but it's a pretty good starting point.